The AIPER Scuba X1 delivers premium pool cleaning with advanced cross-pattern smart navigation combined with specialized horizontal waterline scrubbing technology, removing biofilm, scum lines, and mineral deposits along the challenging waterline areas. This sophisticated cleaner suits in-ground pools up to 2,150 square feet, accommodating diverse residential and commercial applications requiring comprehensive surface coverage and waterline maintenance. The upgraded battery life with cross-pattern navigation enables efficient systematic cleaning, achieving optimal coverage without missing areas or inefficient movement patterns. We share by links in description box. The powerful suction combined with dual brushes tackles debris, leaves, sand, and stubborn dirt from all pool surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning throughout diverse material compositions. The intelligent navigation system integrates advanced sensors and algorithms, enabling sophisticated route planning and obstacle detection throughout cleaning cycles. The app support functionality provides remote control and monitoring capabilities, enabling customized cleaning schedules and real-time operation management. The extensive feature set enables users to optimize cleaning performance based on specific pool conditions and maintenance requirements. The robust construction ensures durability throughout intensive use and diverse environmental conditions. The comprehensive cleaning functionality addresses floor, wall, and waterline requirements within single integrated system. The convenient app control interface enables intuitive operation and performance monitoring throughout cleaning sessions. The extended runtime capability enables deep and thorough cleaning sessions. The exceptional value combines advanced cross-pattern navigation, horizontal waterline scrubbing, powerful suction, app control, and professional engineering, making this cleaner outstanding for comprehensive pool maintenance.